So we're into activity 2 within chapter 6, and this just introduces this idea of the basis period. If we take a look at the requirements, we're simply asked to provide the amount of trading profits that will be assessed on Anita for each of the tax years 22, 23, 23, 24. Now let's remember that these rules, the whole area of basis periods and base of assessment, have been changed with effect from our tax year FA23. So actually, it's a lot more simplified. It's easier. Now, I would suggest, as mentioned within the theory video, that because of that, yes, it's going to be examined, but there may well be a focus more on capital allowances than profits, because capital allowances would make the question meaty, more difficult, more tricky to deal with. So yes, basis periods are still relevant for all businesses and for the TX exam, but not as well as they have been for the last 20 years, that's for sure. Okay, so assessable profits for 2 years, but what's her scenario? You know, is she starting? Is she ongoing? Is she ceasing? Well, we see clearly that she started April 2009. So this is a business that's been ongoing for quite some time. She prepares accounts 31st of March. That makes things easier for sure, as I'll explain in a moment. And then last 2 years as follows. Now we know for an ongoing business, we're simply talking in terms of assessable profits or amount of trading profits of the basically profits for the year ending in that year. It's as simple as that. There's nothing complicated about ongoing businesses. And in this particular case, we're given 2 accounting years. Yeah, we're given 2 tax years. It's literally just that. It's one after the other. So what is the accounting year ending in 22-23? Well, clearly it's the first one, 40,000. What's the accounting year ending in 23-24? Clearly it's the second one. So as we see here from the answer, nothing really to this. Now, I don't think exam questions are going to be this easy. I think they're going to be more complicated with some twists and turns, but not as previously from FA22 backwards. Okay? So pretty straightforward. Just look for an ongoing business for the accounting year ending in the tax year, as we just did. Okay? I hope that makes sense. That's activity 2.